right, everyone. Hello, Holly King. Welcome to my podcast. This is Wild Kingdom Wellness. We will talk about everything well in this podcast. We will explore topics that include subject matters like spirituality, physical, mental, emotional health, and also the things you see going on in the world around you. So if you are ready to go on this Wild Kingdom Wellness ride with me, then make sure that you subscribe to this podcast. You also share this particular podcast and more with others. I will be exploring the realms that people are afraid to go into, and you will not want to miss these episodes. So, Holly King, Wild Kingdom Wellness, welcome to my journey. Okay, now we're back. Good morning. Happy Sunday. It's April 11th, 2026. How is everyone today? I thought I'd take you all with me on my Sunday morning stroll. So, isn't it beautiful out? Was it yesterday? Day before yesterday, we were walking in the park, looking at the honeysuckle, saying I couldn't smell it. So anyway, the honeysuckle right there. How is everyone? Well, I thought I would do a Wild Kingdom Wellness Live Sunday morning stroll. So if you jump on here with me, say hello, say good morning. The chat is on. I may or may not look at the chat because I'm actually walking down a path. So I got to pay attention to where I'm going, but I'll let you hear the sound of my voice anyway. It is such a beautiful day. This is the perfect start to a Sunday morning. So what's everybody getting into today? Are you working? You going to church? Where's all my evangelical people at? You going to church today? Catholics, Protestants. A lot of people go to church on Sunday. It's cool. I think that's great. I like to be in nature. That's kind of my church. So, but yes, you all, it's beautiful this morning. So find your sanctuary. That's probably what we should be saying. Just find a place of sanctuary. And if it's outside, if you're not somebody that goes to regular services, that's okay too. As long as you have knowledge of spirituality in some way, shape, or form, well, it's all good then. There's a squirrel. Hi, squirrel. But yeah, it's beautiful out here today. So I wanted to share, hoping I get a good signal. Anyway, what's your favorite park? Comment. So if you're a local or like to go to national parks, what is your favorite park? That's something I really want to start doing this summer, is going on little short overnight camping trips. The plane, right? Yeah, so I've been pondering lately about some things, traveling, getting out of my comfort zone, that's for sure. Um, Getting back into nature. That right now to me is my very number one goal. That's my number one goal, y'all, is to get back to nature and start doing some things for myself. Reconnecting, y'all, with the elements, like the planet. It's a novel thought. And guys, I think it starts at home, right? You just say, okay, where's the closest park to me? Where is the closest tree line? Someone tell me. And then you get out of your car or you get out of your house, walk down the street, find yourself a park, find yourself a place to play. It's good for our soul, good for nature. Good for your spirit. And to the birds, like all that, y'all. All the things, right? Also being willing to go off of the common path. Just watch for snakes, right? But yeah, so it's just gorgeous being by water. Look at that. There's water. I did not put my Skin So Soft bug lotion on, so I am not going back there. So anyway, look, you all. And so convenient. So, is this something you all are going to start doing for yourself if you can? Are you going to start getting out of your house, going to the closest park? Maybe if it's 10 minutes away, 5 minutes away, an hour away. Y'all, I bet in Kentucky, where I am from, there are so many amazing places that I have not yet seen. And I'm like, yeah, I might spend, 50, 60, $100 in gas to go on an overnight camping trip. But I think, y'all, it'd be well worth the money. So, who likes to camp? How many people we got on here? Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll be doing more wellness walks, things like that. Super important. I'm just thankful. What are you thankful for today on this Sunday? Do you have something wonderful happening in your life? Let's see, what am I thankful for? Well, I'm thankful for these mallard ducks up here. They're so cute. I love a mallard duck head because they're just so iridescent. Look at that. I'm not going to zoom in, so. Oh, and there's a turtle. They got a big turtle friend with them. The water's down here in this park, so we need some rain. Somebody do a Sunday rain dance for me. Anyway, but yeah, y'all. There's a lot to be thankful for right now. The world's in a little bit of chaos right now, but there's reasons for that. Some honeysuckle. Let's see if it's any stronger today. Let's smell it. Nope. I don't know. It's weird, y'all. I thought honeysuckle, would definitely be smelling by now, but it doesn't have a scent. As a kid, I would run my hands across the honeysuckle and, you would carry that fragrance with you for hours. But the honeysuckle in this park does not smell. Either that or that receptor has been turned off in my nose. Anyway, but y'all, it's beautiful. It's beautiful here. I just really needed to have a moment in nature. So, chiggers. Are those chiggers? Who knows the best remedy for chigger bites? Yes, clear nail polish, right? That's old school, y'all. That's old school. So, oh my goodness. So, I'm going to hang up now because I'm going to power walk and disconnect myself from this video. But I appreciate every one of you all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my Wild Kingdom Wellness podcast. Turn my phone on here so you can see my face. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to get out into nature. So make sure you like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you later. Bye. All right, guys, just a little disclaimer here by myself, Holly King. I am not a medical doctor, a licensed clinical therapist, or a mental health therapist. All information and coaching provided is for educational and supportive purposes only and should not be considered medical or psychological advice. Please do consult your physician, licensed therapist, or another qualified healthcare provider before making any changes related to your health or even before beginning any coaching. So what that means, guys, is just consult with your doctor when you decide to
check out our podcast. We'll see you later. All right. Bye.